In today's video, we have a customer concern about an erratic radio volume operation. The customer states that the radio volume cannot be operated with a radio volume knob, but the volume works properly when is operated by the volume controls on the steering wheel. The technician was able to verify the customer's concern. Notice how the volume is not operating as it's supposed to when the technician rotates the volume knob up or down. As you can see, the volume works normally when the technician operates the volume up or down by the controls on the steering wheel, just like the customer stated. Thankfully, there's an easy repair for this issue. The fix is the Nissan Technical Bulletin, NTB 20046. Go to the nearest Nissan dealership. This repair is covered under your vehicle's basic warranty of 3 years or 36,000 miles, and if your vehicle is over the basic warranty, the dealership can do this bulletin for a small fee. This bulletin is just an update to the radio software. You can see the technician in setting a thumb drive with the software update on the radio USB port. Now, all we have to do is wait for the update to finish, and then we'll find out if it works. Okay, the software update is done. Now let's check if it worked. The technician operates the volume by the radio knob and the steering wheel controls, and both ways, the volume works the way it was designed. return the vehicle to the customer, and we're done. Thank you for watching.